Hello, Melanie at Warren Construction Management. This is Joel from JND SEO. We spoke briefly on the phone today, and I told you I'd send you this video over. So I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can beat your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste your time, Melanie. I don't want to waste mine, so I'm going to make this as quick as possible. At the end of the video, you want to hear more, let's set up a 10-minute phone conversation. If not, no problem. Take the free tips and strategies I'm going to give you today, and you guys could apply them to your site. First thing we want to talk about is content. So I'm just looking for how many words are on your page. And as you can see, I'm on your home page here. By the way, you guys have done some awesome jobs. Some of these look ridiculous. They look so good. But here's some content here about some of the services you offer in roofing, remodeling, and construction. We've got some of your testimonials. So you guys don't have a ton of content on your page. We're probably looking at maybe 300 words on your homepage anyway. And typically what I'm looking for is to have about 1,500 words. The reason that we want so many words of content is that Google's going to crawl through your page, and the more content you have, the better. They're going to rank you even higher. And to be honest with you, 99.9% of business sites do not have 1,500 words of content. So imagine how much you'll stand out and how much you'll rank above them and how much easier it'll be to rank you. Second reason, the more content we have, the more keywords we can put into that content. So I've used as an example here, roofing, Winter Haven, Florida, right? And first thing you'll find with any search here in Google is these ads at the top. So these are the Google guaranteed. People basically pay to be seen first by new clients because it's the first thing they would see. After that, we have the map section. Top 3 companies are going to show up here in this little preview screen. And that's all based on citations, which are just when you get your business name, address, phone number listed into a directory site. These are sites like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor. You guys know them all. And there's a lot more than what I named. Just wanted to name a few for you. Next up, we have our organic section. These results, they don't just show up randomly. These are all based on our keyword here, which we used, roofing, Winter Haven, Florida, right? So again, that's what a new customer will search. That's why it's an important one for you. And if we were going to rank this keyword, right, then we would go like this. Number 1, Better Business Bureau. Number 2 would be RIG Construction. Number 3 would be Robert Binns Roofing. 4 would be Budget Roofing. And 5 would be Yelp, another directory. So Better Business Bureau and Yelp are both directories. There's 10 results that show up per page, and I want you to remember that because that's very important. We're going to talk about that in a minute here. But so if you want to be on the first page for any specific search or search keywords, he's got to be in the top 10. All right, next up, I took your website, warrencm.com, and I plugged it into a program I use called Ahrefs. And the first thing I do notice is that you are using your header tags, which is really good. So you have commercial building up here, your business name, and of course US. Now, you can use this to either promote your own business name, and this makes it easier for Google to find you by having these, or you could put keywords in here as well, or you could do both. So a great keyword that I put in for you guys before was just roofing, Winter Haven, Florida, right? Or FL for Florida. That would be a really good term to put in here. And so let's move on to the numbers here a little bit. If you think of the internet as a popularity contest, whoever has the most votes is going to get the most attention and the most views, right? So right now you guys have 23 referring domains. These are just websites online that have links on them. When people click those links, guess what? They go to your page. So your 23 domains right now that you guys have links on are sending you back 224 links to your page. You guys can be found right now for 118 keywords or keyword phrases. Again, like what I put in, roofing, Winter Haven, FL. That's just one example there. And so these 118 keywords, these are what really drive traffic to your site. And we're finding that your keywords are bringing you right now 28 visitors to your site per month. This is actually on a monthly basis. So what I want to do next is just click your keywords and we can actually take a look and see where your traffic's coming from. First up, we do see your business name, WCM Construction. Then we see the exact same one. So let's just look at this one first. 90 people do search your name just like that, WCM Construction. And for this, you guys are ranked number 3. So you're in the top 5. That's really good. Remember, 10 results per page, right? So the top 10 is on page 1. Now, what you want to really do is get in the top 10, then get in the top 5, and then move up to top 3 if you can. So for this one, you guys are already number 3, which is really good. And this is going to be a lot of your repeat customers, referrals, so you really do want to get that business. It's business you should have. They're looking for you. And you'll find different variations. But you also want to attract new customers, right? So roofers, Winter Haven, FL. That's a great one. 100. And if this one, you guys are 14. And what that means is you're on the middle of the second page, right? Now, I'm going to be honest with you. almost nobody goes to the second page. Everyone pretty much stays on the first page when they're searching, especially new customers, right, that are searching a vague term like that, because they're not looking for a name. If they're looking for a name, they might be a little more determined to find it. So you want more terms like this, and we really want to rank you even higher. Just as a quick example, I'm going to run over to RIG Roofing, and I'm going to plug them into Ahrefs, the same thing I do with you guys, right? 89 referring domains, 357 links back to their page, 563 keywords, and that's driving 201 visitors to their page per month. Let's just take a quick look at their keywords. We should find their name at the top. Yep, 200 people do search their name like that, and they're number 1 for that one. And then let's look for a couple other terms. Roofers, Winter Haven FL, 100, number 3. I wouldn't want roofing scam. Roofing contractors, Polk County, Florida, 62. Roofing Sebring, Florida, 60, number 4. You get the idea. If you look down here, they're in the top 10 for almost all, and for actually, yeah, they're in the top 5 for all of these. And that is what sets the difference from what the amount of traffic you guys are getting and kind of what the amount of traffic they're getting. All right, so Melanie, thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. There's some free tips in here. The only thing I do ask is just for some feedback. So I'm just going to call you probably tomorrow, and I'm just going to ask you, Melanie, what'd you think of the video? That's all. That's all. I think that's pretty fair for some free tips. But anyway, if you guys are interested in hearing more, all we want to do is set up a 10-minute phone call. Thank you guys for watching, and I really appreciate your time. Have a good one.